Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download React Router templates for UX navigation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your favorite web browser. Type React Router templates into the search bar and press enter. Browse through the search results to find a reliable source. Popular options include GitHub repositories and official documentation. Click on a link that appears to provide templates for React Router. Once you are on the site, look for a download button or a link. If the templates are available in a zip file, click to download it. If you are using GitHub, you may want to clone the repository. To clone, copy the repository's URL from the page. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the directory where you want to store the templates. Type git clone followed by the copied URL and press enter. After the download is complete, navigate to the extracted folder or clone repository. Open your code editor and locate the template files. Familiarize yourself with the folder structure and the important files. Most templates will include a README file with basic instructions. Follow any setup instructions mentioned in the README. To install necessary dependencies, open your terminal in the template directory. Type npm install and press enter to install the packages. Once the installation is complete, run the application using npm start. This should open your default web browser with the running application. Now you can explore the React Router templates for navigation options. Feel free to customize the templates to fit your specific UX needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.